How to delete account history on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Now all you have to do is simply just switch your account over here. Now since this is my public account, I'm going to switch it to private account. So just tap on it and then tap on switch to private. Now if you have already switched to private account, you can just simply tap on account center and then scroll down and tap on personal details and then tap on account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion. Select the profile over here and then just deactivate your account and then tap on continue and just mention your password over here. And as you mention your password, you will be able to deactivate your account. So just make sure that you deactivate your account just for a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that just re-log in and you'll be able to delete all your account history on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.